Good morning. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. Today we will do the hard words of this chapter. All of you take out your notebooks. Write down chapter 11. Title of the chapter: Our Earth. Hard words. Discovered. Found. Discover means to find. Mass, large body. North Pole, the northernmost part of the earth. Replica, it means copy. South Pole, the southernmost part of the earth. All of you write down in your notebooks. Now, all of you turn page number 89. We will do the exercise of this chapter. A. Fill in the blanks. First one. The dash is the only planet known to support life. Answer is Earth. All of you write down here Earth. We live on the Earth. Natural resources are present here, so we can live on the Earth. Answer is Earth. The Earth is the only planet known to support life. Number 2, the earth is dash in shape and is slightly dash at both the poles. Answer is, the earth is, write down here, round in shape and is slightly dash at both the poles. What is the answer? Write down here, flattened. Here write down round and here write down flattened. All of you got it? Write down in your books. All of you have done? The earth is round in shape and is slightly flattened at both the poles. Next one, 3. A dash gives information regarding continents and oceans. Answer is globe. Number 3, you have to write globe. Number 4, there are dash continents and dash oceans on the earth. How many continents are there? 7 continents. All of you have learnt. Write down here 7. And dash oceans, how many oceans are there? 5. 5 oceans. Write down here 5. Then dash occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon. Answer is lunar eclipse. Write down here lunar eclipse. During the lunar eclipse, earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon by coming in between the sun and the moon. So write down here lunar eclipse. All of you have done? Now, we will do the question answers of this chapter. B. Answer these questions briefly. Write down in your notebooks. Question number 1. Define the shape of the earth. The earth is round in shape and slightly flattened at both the poles, the north and south poles. Number 2, list the ways in which a globe helps us. Here you have to write down the uses of globes. What are the uses of globes? Globe helps us in the following ways. We learn about various places by viewing the globe. it helps us in planning trips. It gives us information about continents and oceans. We take the help of globe to study Earth, to study about the world. Name the 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Name the 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. All of you write down the name of oceans. All of you have learned the name of oceans. I gave you mnemonic PAISA, PASA. P for Pacific Ocean, A for Atlantic, I Indian Ocean, and S Southern Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. It has 2 names, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Then Arctic Ocean. What is the difference between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? Solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth by coming in between the sun and the earth. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon by coming in between the sun and the moon. Solar eclipse, it occurs during a day. Lunar eclipse, it occurs during night. Because moon is covered, so it occurs during night. Solar eclipse, it is not safe to see a solar eclipse through naked eyes. Lunar eclipse, it is safe to see a lunar eclipse with naked eyes. All of you have done? Write down the answer in your notebooks. Now, all of you have to fill this one. Knowledge chart, class chapter number. I know that, I learnt that. Whatever you know related to this chapter and whatever you have learnt from this chapter, you have to write down this one. And what's your assignment for today? You have to learn the hard words and question answers of this chapter. There is one question. Which is the only continent to have animals like kangaroos? Answer is Australia. Australia is the only continent to have animals like kangaroos. Answer is Australia. All of you have understood? And all of you know about your assignments? Learn the question answers. Chapter 11. Learn the hard words. All of you write down in your diaries. Now it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. Have a good one.